Social media is one of the most powerful tools available in the world of marketing that you absolutely need to take advantage of. With social media, small businesses are better able to promote their products and services, connect with their target audience, and increase their brand awareness. Hi everyone, I'm Charles Broersma, founder of the Casbah Total Internet Marketing Solution, the place where small businesses go to double their revenue from the internet. And today, I'm going to break down how social media can help your business and how to create Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn profiles so you can start posting today. So stay tuned. Many small businesses still hesitate to create and use various social media platforms to promote their businesses or their brands. There are usually two main reasons for this. They don't see the benefit of using social media, and they aren't familiar with how to use the various social media platforms. We're going to address both of these concerns, so don't turn that dial. First, let's talk about the benefits of how social media can directly impact your business processes. Think of social media platforms as free advertising for your business. Maybe you're thinking your target audience isn't on social media, so this section doesn't really apply to you. Well, you'd be wrong. Perhaps it's true that your current target audience members aren't frequent users of social media, or they don't use it at all. That still isn't a good enough reason not to invest in effective social media marketing. If you want your small business to succeed over the long term and acquire new long-term customers, you need to branch out. Small business longevity is all about gaining new, younger, and loyal customers. And guess where those younger generations spend a great deal of their time? That's right, on social media. Social media will help your small business by connecting you with your target audience, building brand recognition, and driving traffic to your website. The big thing to remember is post frequently. The most popular social media platforms are Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Depending on your market and what types of products and services you sell, you should also look into using YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest as well. On Facebook, you should create a business page so you can post pictures, videos, updates, and your company information. To do that, go to facebook.com/business and click Create a Page in the top right-hand corner. Once you do, you'll be prompted to start building your business page by categorizing your small business, adding photos, business information, and so on. You can build your Facebook community by seeking out your employees, coworkers, and existing clients who also have Facebook profiles. Once you start to build your connections, you need to regularly share interesting information in the form of images, videos, and article links. Research shows that emotional, especially funny content performs the best on Facebook and gets the most interactions, so keep that in mind. Twitter is a different ballgame than Facebook when it comes to posting. If you want to optimize for higher engagement, post or tweet between 1 to 5 times per day. But if you just want to generate more responses, tweet as frequently or as much as you want. You need to learn how to use hashtags, tag other profiles using the @ symbol, and be able to limit each tweet to 140 characters. Twitter is all about the short and sweet, tweeting about what's popular this minute. LinkedIn is the largest professional network in the world at more than 500 million users. On LinkedIn, you can create a personal profile and a company page that you can link back to. This is extremely beneficial to you and any of your connections because they can learn all about you and your business without taking the time to visit your website. On LinkedIn, you can share content publicly with all your connections individually on your company page or in any group that you may belong to. You can also make your content public so people visiting your profile or company page can see it. Small businesses constantly struggle to compete with their larger competitors. Thanks to social media, marketing a small or local business has become easier than ever. The only cost is your time and effort. So give it a try and you'll see that it's worth it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get all the updates. I post new videos every Friday, so be sure to come back and check them out.